friends, welcome to our online remote learning on how to use, understand, and apply the BBC microbit to our STEM courses, our computer science courses, our maker spaces, or core content areas. And so what this course is going to be designed to do is a series of very short videos. What we know that your attention span is roughly 2 to 3 minutes per video. So my goal is to create a variety of videos to get you started. So I want to welcome you to the course. There are a couple things you're going to need in order to be successful in this course if you want to follow along. And I have decided to use a book that I think is phenomenal by an amazing maker, inventor, programmer, builder, tinkerer, Simon Monk. So here's what you're going to need for this course, and we're going to dive into the action of getting started with this course right away. We're cutting out all the fluff and moving to the action. So obviously you are going to need a microbit. Just the basic kit is all that you're going to need. Obviously you're going to need the cord to plug it into your computer and things of that nature. If you want the hard copy or ebook edition, we're going to be using the microbit for Mad Scientist by Simon Monk. This is the book we're going to be using. I thought it'd be nice to have a hard physical copy to go along with the online learning for the work that we're going to do. And with that, you can also go and buy his little Monk Makes kit. And so it comes with a few components when you buy this. You don't have to. You can, if you have lots of electronics and sensors and components already, you might be just fine. But this will come with this manual, and in here you're going to get a couple things. It just makes life a little bit easier as you're learning for the first time. One, the speaker for the microbit, and you can see the difference here is that it comes pretty nicely organized and designed so that you can just alligator clip everything from your microbit to these sensors. So you have a speaker. There is a relay board that comes with it. There is also a sensor board to do a lot of variety of other sensors that aren't already on the microbit, which there's plenty on here just to get started. It comes with a battery holder, a light bulb holder, the light bulb, a little mini motor, a fan to go with it, and then alligator clips. And so these are the components that are going to allow us to do many of the projects that are here in this book. So I want to welcome you to the course. Go ahead and get your microbit ready to rock and roll. If you have the book, great. If you don't, you can still do this course. You won't be lost. We'll guide you through it. And if you want to get his sensors and components to go along with it, by all means, jump into it. All right, my friends, I can't wait to get started. Here we go. Peace.